What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Texas on the channel. If you're new here, definitely consider subscribing. So today we are going to be installing a brow on my brother's Integra. Well, he's going to be installing it with the help of our buddy Tony. And we're going to be going over what we have done to his Integra in the last 3.5 weeks to make it pretty much what it is today. On this car, we went ahead and installed some glow, which is it's all app controlled. My brother's over here kind of adjusting things on the phone. And you can do like a million different colors, like literally a million different colors. And there's different variations of other colors. At least that's what the app says. And so far we've used it and there's a lot of cool features that you have to it. I don't have the install video of that, but this is the kit I am using. I got it from Walmart. I was impatient and didn't want to wait on shipping, but there will be a link in the description of a better kit than this that's cheaper. This one's okay. I like the app control and it's all Bluetooth and it's really easy to install because of the easy link, but the problem was the fact that the two front strips are 20 inches and the two sides are 36. This needs to be like right around 40 for the sides or bigger, and the front needs to be around 36. So if you were to get this kit, I would recommend getting two, but that makes it like $140.
Yeah,
Not worth it to me. Maybe you guys would think it's worth it, but that's a lot of money. I spent 70 bucks on this from Walmart. Basically just used these things right here that you can get from Harbor Freight, rubber ice insulated clamp assortment. They work really well, and we put them around the LEDs and screwed it up just with self tappers, and that was it. Just make sure they don't go through the floorboard to where you're stepping on them and stuff. Luckily these ones did not. And there was grommets under the car where I could actually run the wires in. It's pretty simple. But it's a pretty cool kit. I like UnderGlow. Other people may not. But I also got this from Harbor Freight, and we wired it in. It's basically you just plug in to it and you can shut off the lights with these buttons. And this one here runs the fan up there. So we can just shut it off with the button, and it's all ran off of plugins, so it's pretty cool. But we're gonna start by going over to our buddy Tony's house, and he's going to basically coach AJ into putting on the banner on the Integra, and we'll go over some other things that were done to it. And then we've got a surprise at the end of the video, so stay tuned. Alright, we're over here at Tony's in Belton. AJ is getting his window prepped. He's going to be getting a window banner, the More Motorsports one, for the tag. So it's going to be pretty cool.
I started this little girl so long. Oh, video of it starting?
You don't have to worry as much.
No, these I could just go.
Yeah.
I can hear that griminess.
Yeah. When I detail a car, that's how I clean the windows. Just like this.
What are those again?
They're razor blades, but
Just plastic?
they're the plastic ones that detailers use. Awesome. I'm an old school guy. I've been doing it for many years, so I use the metal ones because I know better. And I know how not to scratch. But if you just like want to hit it and don't be scared, these are it.
Awesome. Where did you get them?
There's a detailer supply guy that comes to our dealership, but you can buy them, I believe, at Harbor Freight.
Awesome. We'll have to look. We were just there. This thing's gonna look really good with a banner on it.
Drape it a little over. Now, so the pull it tight, because whatever we do, we want it straight. There we go. So now, let's take a look. We want it to lay as tight as possible.
It's gonna look really good. That white definitely pops. Got the white wheels, blue tag. Looks good. That white looks good on there.
Where's the measuring? Just a hair. Stop right there. Come around the other side of me. It'll make it a little easier for you.
My car smells good. Smells like clean laundry.
So yeah, we did a cool little thing that my wife actually saw somewhere. Basically,
Stop right
you
there.
get the things for weddings that are like, I don't know, do they put rice in them or something? Those little baggies. I don't know what, they're like clear.
Hey, I found this really
Hang on, I'll show you what I'm talking about. Where's it at? Is it under your seat?
Yeah.
Driver?
Yep. They're under each.
Alright, so check this out. She used these little things from the wedding aisle at Walmart and then put some of the scent beads in it for laundry. Smell that thing. You can probably smell
can
it
smell
from
it
there.
from here.
Yeah. It's really strong, and if you put them under the seats,
So this Peggy smells
out
like
of the way.
fried booty.
No.
It's
oh.
all right.
What did you say?
I said my Peggy smelled like fried booty at first.
Fried
when
booty?
I first got it, it stunk.
Now it smells like clean laundry.
It smells like mildewy smell. Probably from the sunroof leaking
Well,
before.
we can clean those out with a wire.
No, it don't leak now. It did leak, and the dude fixed it.
Oh, that looks really good.
Ooh,
Dead
right
on. Dead on.
Get that Texas
Good,
on
boy.
a channel shirt.
Get your merch.
There will be a link in the description because we actually have a, was it a Teespring maybe?
Yeah.
Or Spreadshirt or something like that.
Something like that.
It'll be in the description. You guys can get some official merch.
Basically, you go get your merch, have hats, shirts, hoodies,
Coffee
sweaters,
mugs.
mugs,
Little kid shirts.
little
all
kid
kinds
shirts,
of stuff.
a whole bunch of stuff. So be
Okay.
sure to get your merch.
So,
Look at AJ the Apprentice.
yes, sir. Good looking girl.
It's rough right there.
Yeah, and that's how you can tell if there's a rough spot. Stick it deep and run it out. There you go.
Look at that.
That can squeegee all the bubbles out now that it has a place to breathe.
Look at that.
Yep. Like a champ.
Shabby.
Go, I know it is, but
He's just heating it up with the heat gun on the inside. I actually felt good. Kind of a chilly night. Not really chilly, but I'm cold. Alright, time for this part.
Yeah, this guy needs soap with that one. That hot ass tune.
And then he's gonna spray the windshield most likely as well. Not sure. The windshield's nice and warm now. We'll see.
okay. So now we need to figure out. And this is actually going to look really good because the brow's not super big.
That's hard to see with that glare.
I think this side is to go up or your side down just a hair.
It looks like that side needs to go down. Yeah.
Here, I'll hold it right here.
Five 16ths. Ooh. Yeah. That's it. Pick up your end and let it fall. There you go. Don't worry about that. Yeah. Remember when we wet this paper, it's gonna let you do whatever it is you want to do.
Bro, I can't wait to see this with the splitter. Big wing, big wing. It's gonna look good.
I agree.
Once I get the windows tinted,
You're the best part. It's your car.
I can do what I want. If you don't like it, you know where you can shove your opinion.
Right? Where the sun don't shine.
Exactly. Yeah, it's fixable, but if it's that actual vinyl's just shit, it's gonna make me sad because I like the.
Can you see it?
Yeah, it looks amazing. Don't worry, guys. He's actually taking care of it. But now we're ready to get back to the house, so I'm gonna follow my brother back to the house. Looking good. It's looking really good. He painted the brakes as well, just like I did on the Em2. That's looking nice. And the Pilot, the brow is done on the Pilot now. It matches the Honda emblem. More Motorsports. It's looking really, really nice. So, we just got some fuel, about to head back to the house. And AJ's meeting up with another Teggy, so there he is. Nice.
Well, I'll give it to him when he gets home. Yeah. I'll give it to him when he gets home.
You're gonna be on Texas Honda channel now.
Hey.
There you go.
No, the only thing wrong with this right now is the block.
Nice.
The block has something, I think, when something is messed up, it knocks a little bit. When I start, you'll hear a knock. But I've got a whole new motor.
Subscribe if you haven't. Alright, now that we got fuel though, we're going to go ahead and get headed out as soon as he's finished with his business. So we will continue this from the house. Alright, so it's the next day and we are actually doing the air speed diffuser holes, whatever you want to call them, on the bumper, just using a hole saw and basically just drilling holes. We marked it to where it was level and then drilled 4 holes on each side of the Integra bumper. At the same time I was doing this off camera, my brother was doing the taillights and tinting them very lightly, and they came out really nice. I like the way the Integra's taillights look tinted. But now that he's got the taillights tinted and we've got the air diffuser holes drilled, it looks awesome. I forgot to show you guys the video clip of him painting the headlights, so here it is. Basically just used Krylon stained glass canary yellow. I usually don't use Krylon paint, but I've had this can for like 8+ years and it still works. It works really well for tinting headlights. But now that he's got the headlights tinted along with the banner and the diffuser holes with the white wheels and the paint job done, looking really, really nice. It's definitely come a long way. He also installed the racing steering wheel, and it does have a functioning horn button and everything. Now comes for the part that you guys probably weren't expecting, is the fact that he actually sold the Integra today to a subscriber. It was kind of an unexpected thing.
She's officially sold. She went to a good home though.
But it was $2,000 cash, and I mean, right. And what he got is absolutely incredible, but you guys aren't gonna see it in this video. You will definitely have to stay tuned for the very next video that comes out, because it will be us going to grab this car. Well, that's it for this video. So in order to see what's in this area on screen, you'll have to stay tuned for the next video that comes out so you can see what my brother sold the Integra to go get. So stay tuned for the next video. If you're new here, definitely consider subscribing. We'll see you in the next one. God bless, stay safe, stay awesome.